Do I really need 4 beds to myself? Okay, right, I've made it to Kandy. And wow, that train from Ella all the way to Kandy is something special. Obviously there's a reason why they say it's one of the best train rides in the world. And there's something just about being within that like vivid greenness of everything you see, and it just makes you think like, wow, this is what it would be like or should be like if humans hadn't built loads of shit. Yeah, it's so special. Especially the bit from Ella to like Hatton, and then I don't know, from then on it just rains, so I don't know if that's tarnished what would have been an amazing view, but wow, it's something you've got to do. Practicalities of it, yeah, it's worth booking ahead to get a reservation. We got 3rd class because that was what was left, 400 rupees, which is almost like £2, less than £2. You can just turn up and get one for 90 rupees, but again, like, you're never sure, never 100% that you can get on, so just pay a bit more, book your seat, and then at least you know you've got a seat and you're not standing up. Yeah, doing that train journey has made me realise that if I was going to come, well, when I come back again, I'll probably stop off in the mid-country basically along that train track between Ella and Kandy, because there's so much to see. Obviously do Adams Peak, and I'm sure there's other hikes, Norelia, Horton Plains, where World's End is, so there's so much to do, but when you're trying to fit it into a month, and I want to kind of see everything, get a feel for the whole country, rather than do like stay in one place for a long period of time. But when I come back, I'll definitely do that mid-country, and also go to Aragon Bay, which I'm missing out this time, just because I've got to be in Bali mid-May, so you've only got a month, so definitely come back. Yeah, so peaceful. Right, ignore the state of my hair, but check this for a morning setup. Treat you to a lovely mug of tea. And my balcony bit, whatever, it's not even a balcony, but backs onto the national park, or the sanctuary. I think it's called the Udawata Sanctuary in Kandy. So it's so peaceful. Perfect place to whip your Kindle out and get deep in thought. So today is going to be a tuk-tuk tour of Kandy. The guy dropped me off from the train station. Obviously he's going to sell the tuk-tuk tour, and actually this time I was like, you know what, yeah, I will do that. Going to the botanical gardens, Temple of the Tooth, and various other sites, and I can't be arsed using my brain, so I'm just going to get in the tuk-tuk and tell him to take me where he pleases. This is my last day travelling on my own before Erin arrives tomorrow, which I'm so excited for. But it's also been pretty cool, and learnt a lot from travelling on my own for the past 2.5 weeks. My first time travelling on my own, and I've loved it. 1, because I don't think I could love this country anymore, and 2, because I'm quite, I'm not an introvert, but I'd say I do very much like my own space and my own time to myself, and travelling on your own gives you that in abundance. And as well, you meet so many cool people, and so many people from different walks of life, different countries, different ages. So you just make so many new friends that you wouldn't otherwise be in contact with if you stayed at home. First stop, a nice cute little cafe, and nail in a lot of Sri Lankan curry. Holy shit! Smells like I'm trapped inside a box of PG tips.
We have white tea, but not same plant, different color.
And there we go, a nice cup of tea. monkey. Meow. It's the waviest of trees. Look at all the bats. Christ, they're big. Everywhere. Okay, so we got to the Buddhist temple.
Yes.
No, it's alright, I can do it,
Okay,
I can do it. Got to the Buddhist temple and it starts absolutely pelt it down with rain. But my main bro, what's your name, sorry?
I'm Veronica.
Veronica?
Yes.
Veronica, yeah, my boy is sorting me out with a jacket, so I'm going to brave it going up. Hopefully get an umbrella, but there's going to be no filming, so yeah. I'm going to brave it! Okay, I'm on my phone because I don't want to ruin my camera, but look at that statue. Holy shit, I'm not even in there yet, but that is magnificent. Now up at Kandy viewpoint, checking out the whole of Kandy. It's stopped raining, so happy days. You can see the Buddha temple, I think my zoom is good enough. I don't know if I can find it. Yeah, there it is. Big Buddha temple overlooking Kandy. Mate, is that a duck or a dinosaur? Come here, let me get your face. Look at him. Look at that face. So yeah, of course you're not allowed that in shorts, being the English person that I am. So, I'm going to purchase myself a lovely skirt or whatever you call it in Sri Lankan. So, I can actually get in now and look sick. I feel so free.